Hello, in today's video I want to show you something called prompt template. Prompt template class is a component for prompt templating in springai. This class uses the open source Spring template engine for constructing and managing prompts. Okay, let's create prompt template. New prompt template, and prompt template constructor can accept a string as a parameter. So let's just use it. Question.question. Then we can create prompt using method create. So it's like prompt from template. Yeah, but what if we want to create not prompt but message instead? So for this purpose we have create message method. And this will be message from template. Okay, but what kind of message is this? Let's have a look. As you can see inside create message, user message is created. And the same happens when we use method create, because we create new prompt here and new prompt creates user message inside. So this will create us prompt with user message and this create us user message. What we also have is system prompt template. System prompt template, new system prompt template. It also can accept a string as a parameter. Yeah, and we can put any string here. So basically it works the same way as prompt template, but creates system message instead of user message. Just to remind you, system message is used to guide the AI's behavior and response style. So we can say here respond in one word. Yeah, and then create prompt using this prompt template. It's system prompt. The same way from system prompt template, we can create message. And it will be system message from prompt. Yeah, let's have a look at create message here. You can see that new system message is created. And when we have a look at create, here new system message also created. Okay, I think it's pretty clear. Now let's have a look at another constructor, and it can accept resource as a parameter. And that's really useful because you don't want to have to go through the project and find out where you can change that system prompt string. And this string can also be huge, so it's much better to have a file in the resources that's easy to find and change. And we can use something called string templates files for such cases. So let's create new folder here, call it prompts. And inside I will create file system message.st. st means string template. Okay, and we put here our system message, which is respond in one word. Then we go back to the service and let's use this file. So Spring allows us to import this resource. Let's call it system resource using value annotation. So we need class path, prompts, and system message.st. Okay, now let's use this system resource here and create message from system prompt template. System prompt template message and use here. So we don't need anymore this system message. Let's just remove it and rerun the application. Now we go here to ask prompt endpoint, send a request, and get a response in one word, which means string template works. Also, when we call method create message, we have something called model here. So model is a map where keys are placeholders for names in the prompt templates, and values are the dynamic content to be inserted. So let me show an example. We go to system message and I'm going to paste here my prompt, which saying you are helpful AI assistant that helps people find information. Your name is name, which is parameter, and you should reply to user's request with your name and also in the style of a voice, which is also a parameter. So here we can create some map with string as a key, object as a value, call it model, and let's say it will be hash map, import, and we put to the model key name with value, let's say Alice, and put voice of let's say wizard. So now we can use this model to create message, and this message should contain this name and voice together with prompt. So let's run the application, and we go back to Postman to test it and send request to ask prompt. Let's send it. Okay, and what we get is, greetings traveler, I am Alice, your humble AI assistant and guide in this vast realm of knowledge. How may I assist you on your question today? So as you can see, it works, and you also can play with voices or any other parameters to see how it works. Okay, we have learned prompt template in this session. See you in the next video.